Hi, what's up XYO network holder? Welcome to another brand video of XYO, my friends. Today video is very important for all holder because I have something very special news for all of you now, and this is very urgent and update video. And also my friend, I told you in this video to win my friend when where my friend XYO will pumps up. So this video my friend, absolutely everything with proof now which I show you my friend. It's everything with practical now my friend. So let's start this brand video, but please, if you are new my channel, first of all subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So the price is very cheap, 0.04568874 USD dollar, and XYO network you can see here minus 0.1% fails down. And my friends, you can see here my friend, this time the market cap as you can see here my friend, 545164706 billion. And as you can see my friend, last 24-hour trading number, so you can see here 46 my friends, 46 404,496 my friends million. And as you can see here my friends, some circulating supply is 11 trillion now my friends. So that's mean my friends to everything is going to be very good now. And you can see my friends, the total supply is 13 billion my friend. Everything is going to be very good now, but very cool also now my friends. But when a holder are starting selling, so everything will dumps down and fails down. So I will notify you my friends to don't starting selling, hold it. I am 100% sure my friends to after a very long time this coin will give you a lot of good profits now. So please don't miss this chance, take a risk and get a profit. I will give you guarantee to after the mid of this month they will give you my friend in 2025 a lot of good profits now. So please, if you want to get a profit, then do this. I hope they will give you a very good profit. See you next time holder. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel. As you can see here on the chart results, so this is last 24-hour chart, and after very short dump absolutely take a very huge jump now. So therefore I told you to please don't starting selling, hold it. I hope they will make you millionaire now. See you next time. Please like and subscribe.